In this video, we're going to discuss how you can view your Microsoft Windows Clipboard history. This is a new feature that came out with Windows 10. You're of course already familiar with the hotkeys, Control X, Control C, Control V, and of course Control X will cut, Control C will copy, and Control V will paste. These are the three most commonly used shortcuts in the world, so I'll assume for this video that you're already familiar with them. So in this video, we're going to talk about a different shortcut key that came out with Windows 10. This is the WinV key, WinV. So a very common use case in which you would utilize this command is an instance in which you wanted to put these three items into a typical web form here. Let's say that you wanted to move these three pieces of text to the form. Now, one way to do that is just to click on the item, push Control C on your keyboard, and then paste it. And then you got to come back, and then you got to paste it, and then you got to come back, select the line, come back, and paste it. So that's one way to do it. But is there another way to do it? Well, in Windows 10, there's a faster way. We can come to the last line, select it, we'll hit Control C, we'll hit Control C, we'll hit Control C. So we've just copied three things to our clipboard. And to actually view these items, we push our hotkey, as mentioned at the beginning of the video, that is WinV. And by pushing these keys, we bring up our little clipboard form. And of course, if you look carefully, you'll notice that our three pieces of text have now been placed in this little clipboard widget. And so to insert our text bodies, we can simply click on Alexander, go to the next one, push Control V, Hamilton, next one, Control V, and this is our little text sentence there. So by using this little Control V history viewer tool in Windows 10, we can sometimes look back in our clipboard history, find a previously copied item, and save a lot of time in Windows. So I hope you enjoyed this little tip of the day. Please make sure to subscribe by clicking the button below, and thanks for watching.